Hey guys, me JC, and today pag-uusapan natin at re-reviewin ang isang microphone na napakaraming reviews na sa Lazada. So kung interesado ka sa microphone na to, this is probably the video for you. This is from a company called Maono. They specialize in audio equipment. So we have here, ito ay isang condenser USB microphone. If you're looking for streaming, pang meeting, or gusto mo lang mag-record ng music, this is probably one of the best choice under this price range. Especially kung nasa budget ka and gusto mo lang i-improve yung audio gain mo sa kung ano yung ginagawa mo, kung nasa stream ka or kung gusto mo lang pagandahin or mas maging professional yung mga meetings mo. This is probably the product you're looking for. So let's go ahead and open this box so we can see kung ano ba laman ng Maono PM401. So merong foam windscreen, merong pop filter, sabi mo natin yan. Merong velcro strap, 2 piraso, manual, 2 meters ng USB-A to USB-B, shock mount para sa microphone, table clamp, yung boom arm para sa mic, and last but not the least is yung microphone mismo. So, siya. Kung tingin mong komplikado i-set up lahat ng to, don't worry, madali lang. And kung tingin mong mahirap pa rin, meron namang manual na kasama sa box, so mas madali mo siyang may set up. With that out of the way, let's go ahead, assemblein na natin to para matesting na natin yung Maono PM401. So let's talk about the things that I like dito sa setup na to. And first is yung microphone build quality. It's all aluminum, it's all metal, solid talaga. And I think this will last for a good amount of time. It's really solid actually. And pangalawa is, napakadaling i-set up. Diba? Kung nakita nyo kanina, around 5 minutes or less ko lang siya sinet up. Wala na akong ginawa. And it also has everything you need to start your own podcast, your stream, your meeting setup. It has everything you need. Wala ka na kailangan bilhin pa after that. Hindi mo kailangan. Even the velcro strap. Gusto ko yung detail na yon na nag-include sila ng velcro strap. So pag sinet up mo siya, hindi cluttered yung table mo with wire. So that's a good plus. Third on my list is yung pagiging plug and play niya. Sasaksak mo lang siya sa computer mo and that's it. That's it. It's really hassle-free. So there's no excuse for this to not work right out of the box. So there's that, and I really like that, especially if you're a newbie or you just want to get things done quickly. Sasaksak mo lang siya, okay na, wala ka nang kailangang problemahin. Another thing is yung pagiging affordable niya. This whole setup cost 3,149 pesos. So, wala ka nang poproblemahin, wala ka nang dadagdagan pa pag binili mo to kasi kumpleto na talaga siya lahat. Kung gusto nyo or kung interesado kayong bilhin ito, mag-iiwan ako ng affiliate link sa description. I highly recommend you use that, guys. It really helps the channel a lot. So, thank you guys for using my affiliate link down below. The next thing that I like about this is yung mute indicator niya. Meron siyang light indicator. So, makikita mo kung nagre-record siya or hindi. If it's recording, it's gonna glow green. If it's muted, it's gonna glow red. It's really easy as that. This is really helpful if you're streaming or if you're in a meeting. Madali mong ma-identify. Minsan kasi magsasalita tayo, hindi natin alam naka-mute tayo. Or minsan, may sasabihin tayo sa kasama natin sa room, but we don't want a member of the online meeting to hear what we're talking about. So, that's really helpful. So with that out of the way, let's also talk about yung mga bagay na hindi ko nagustuhan sa setup na to. Number 1 is yung boom arm. It really feels cheap. Napakamura niya tignan. After a few use lang, since this is a moving part, I can see that this is gonna break easily. Yeah, if you go to Lazada, you can also see this exact boom arm kasi nakikita ko to napaka-generic lang. So I'm pretty sure they did this to cut costs. So it's only 3,149 pesos. They had to cut costs somewhere to achieve this setup. So the boom arm is probably one of that. The good thing is it's really cheap. You can buy a spare on Lazada and Shopee. I'll also leave them in the description down below so you can check those out. But yeah, it's really cheap. The boom arm is really cheap. So there's that. The next thing is yung table clamp niya. It's not really that bad. The only thing that I don't like about the table arm is manliit lang yung kaya niyang i-clamp. It's around 55 millimeters. And yung main table ko, hindi siya kasya. So, hindi ko siya magagamit sa setup ko, unfortunately. So, there's that. Kung yung table mo mas makapal sa 55 millimeters, I don't know. Siguro gawa na lang ng paraan. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Before buying this, I highly recommend you measure the thickness of your table para maklamp mo siya, para magamit mo siya. Last two things that I don't like about this is wala siyang volume dial and wala siyang gain dial. So, yung recording mo, i-adjust mo siya lagi sa software. For some people, that might not be a big deal, but for some, it is. For example, you're listening to yourself. You want to control the volume you're listening to kasi minsan nakaka-distract siya. Or you want to control the gain. So, wala siya dito and you have to do it via software. Personally, mas gusto ko meron siyang physical dials dahil mas madaling i-adjust. And wala na akong kailangan kalikutin sa softwares. I can just record. Wala na akong poproblemahin. I think yung mga kinat nilang corners, it doesn't really affect the bottom line kung bibilhin mo tong product na to. The reason you're buying this product is for a good audio quality and I think it does it well. And yeah, yung mga minor details na binanggit ko, I think Maono also sell a microphone with a dedicated volume and gain dial. So there's that. If you have a bit more budget, you can go check those out. Ilalagay ko na lang din sa description below para makita nyo. But with this specific model, they had to cut some corners and I think those corners doesn't really affect the bottom line of the good audio quality you're aiming for when you bought this thing. So yeah, I think that's it for this whole review. And this whole review was recorded using this microphone. So there's that. So before we go, if you're a streamer, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be using a mechanical keyboard. So here is what it sounds like pag meron kang mechanical keyboard na clicky switch. Let's use yung WASD lang. So yeah, that's what it sounds like pag gumagamit ka ng mechanical keyboard. If you're using clicky and you're wondering what it sounds like, here you go. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, go ahead and leave a like. If you don't like this video, go ahead and tell me why in the comment section below. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. Click nyo na rin yung bell icon and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.